Guys, let's go camping. Welcome back to our new video, and today we are camping at Lake Saint Clair. This was our second time, so we chose the different spot than the previous one. First thing first, let's set up the camp. It was so windy that we struggled to set up the tent, but thanks to the trees, we could manage. By the time I was making bed, Srijana cooked an amazing noodles. That was our first meal, as we were hungry since the morning. Even though we didn't carry, someone's leftover firewood was plenty for us. For the dinner, we had home marinated chicken wings, and it is must in every camping trip. Listening to the sound of barbecue sizzling on side, birds chirping, lake water splashing, looking up to the sky, counting shooting stars. Oh, that's an unexplainable feeling. Camping is addiction. There is nothing like cooking and eating under the stars. Hey. Yeah. Come here. He's enjoying wings. खानेकुरा दिएको खाइरहेछ. Good morning everyone. Time for breakfast. जतिर नै हाटै हो. अनुहार देखौ न. That is the view. So calm. Camping helps to fully immerse yourself in the wilderness and enjoy the scenery and sound of nature. There is a sense of peace and solitude that comes with being surrounded by trees, lakes, and mountains. It is a time to reconnect with the natural world around us. It allows us to slow down and appreciate the simple things in life. This is where we camped when we came here first time. After the breakfast, we were heading further up to the left, which most people don't go. We stopped to let fellow Nepali campers about that spot. While camping there, I recommend you to go further off left. You'll get to see Lake Saint Clair in different angle, as well as enjoy the great driving. This is the spot I wanted to show you guys, where you get 360-degree view. I'll show you the drone shot as well. I always come here and I would like to show you this video. Momo is one of Nepal's most popular dishes. We always thought of having momo in camping, so in this trip we did it for lunch. And satpate. That's mostly popular among Nepalese girls. My wife managed to prepare that as well. And finally, time to head back home. It's time to go home. We had an amazing time here. I'm going home now. Somebody hit kangaroo on the road, so I'm trying to move it to the side so that people don't suffer any accident from this. On the way back, we took right turn to see the dam wall that has formed Lake Saint Clair. This dam has blocked all the water. Lake Saint Clair. The extra water goes out up there.